Thinking about starting your investment journey, but not sure where to begin? Raiz makes it super simple. It's an app that helps you invest your spare change automatically. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started, from downloading the app to making your first investment. First thing you'll want to do is download the Raiz app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have it, open it up. You'll see a sign up button. Tap that and let's get rolling. The app will guide you through a few screens explaining what Raiz is all about. You can read through them or skip ahead. Now, for the nitty-gritty. Raiz needs to verify your identity, so have your ID ready. It's quick and secure. You'll need to enter your full name, date of birth, and email address. It's all standard stuff. Next, you'll create a password for your account. Make it strong, something you'll remember but isn't easy to guess. Raiz will then ask you to link a bank account. This is a crucial step because it's how you'll fund your investments and how Raiz will round up your purchases. You'll need to use an account that supports BPay. It's a very common feature with Australian banks. Don't worry, your bank details are kept safe with bank-level security. Once your bank account is linked, Raiz will ask you a few questions to determine your investment risk profile. This helps them recommend the right portfolio for you. They'll ask about your goals, your time horizon, and your experience with investing. Be honest with your answers. This isn't a test, it's about making sure your investments align with your personal situation. Based on your answers, Raiz will suggest a portfolio. They have several options, from conservative to aggressive, each with a different mix of investments. Take a look at the details for each one. You can always change it later if you want to. Finally, you'll set up your rounding rules. This is the coolest part of Raiz. You can set it to automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest that spare change. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Raiz will round it up to $4 and invest that 50 cents. You can also set up one-off deposits or recurring investments. And that's it. You've just set up your Raiz account. You'll receive an email confirming your registration and your account will be ready to start investing. Your first investments will be placed within a few business days. It's that simple to start building wealth, one small step at a time. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.